Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.
Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal announced a weekend curfew in the national capital as the city records daily highs in infection. Addressing the media, he said that Delhi hospitals are not short on beds, at least 5,000 are available. However, to arrest the spread of the virus and avert a crisis, all kinds of movement except essential services will remain suspended on weekends. A CCTV footage recovered from a government hospital in Shivpuri, Madhya Pradesh, about 300 kilometers from state capital Bhopal, has led to a probe into a coronavirus patient's death. His family alleged his oxygen supply was stopped by the hospital staff. The hospital administration had earlier denied any lapses, but after the footage emerged, they launched a probe. The chief medical health officer told reporters the district hospital had enough beds and oxygen reserves. He said the patient was receiving dialysis treatment as well. However, an investigation is underway. Madhya Pradesh Minister Prem Singh Patel on Thursday delivered a shocker on deaths from coronavirus in the country and said that while nobody can stop the virus deaths from occurring, people get old and have to die. The state minister was responding to a question on a surge in deaths caused by coronavirus disease. Cities like Delhi and Mumbai have gone ahead and converted hotels and banquet halls into COVID units to treat less critical patients. In Mumbai, hospitals have decided to use luxury hotels to treat COVID-19 patients with milder infections. Delhi government also issued orders to attach hotels and banquet halls with private and government hospitals to add more beds for COVID patients. The order came as Mumbai recorded 9,931 new cases and 54 deaths on Wednesday. Delhi reported the highest single-day spike with 17,282 new COVID cases and 104 deaths on Wednesday. The ongoing COVID-19 surge is taking a toll on children's health, with several hospitals reporting a sharp rise in the number of children between the age of 1 and 5 landing up in hospitals. Unlike last year, the virus is affecting infants, with some as young as 1.5 months old getting admitted to hospital. The most common symptoms observed in children include high fever, vomiting, diarrhea, and headache. UK Prime Minister Boris Johnson has reduced the length of his visit to New Delhi at the end of this month due to the COVID-19 situation in India, Downing Street said on Wednesday. Johnson was to spend a few days in India starting April 26th as part of a planned itinerary, which is expected to include finalizing a UK-India enhanced trade partnership.